The 7 Universal Laws. The law of vibration is a principle that states that everything in the universe is in a constant state of motion and vibration. This law posed that there is a core of all matter and energy, that there exists a vibrational frequency that determines its nature and characteristics. In essence, it suggests that even seemingly solid objects are comprised of atoms and particles in a perpetual motion, emitting energy waves at a specific frequency. This concept extends beyond the physical realm and finds an application in various aspects of life, including the realm of spirituality and consciousness. The law of vibration underscores the interconnectedness of all things and plays a crucial role in the manifestation of one's thoughts and desires. Understanding and harnessing this law can empower individuals to align themselves. The law of correspondence is a key principle. It poses that there is a correspondence or connection between different levels of existence, such as the physical, the etheric, the astral, and the mental. The law suggests that what happens in one level of reality is mirrored or reflected in another. This is where we get the term "as above, so below." In simpler terms, it implies that the pattern, experiences, and events in our physical world can often be understood and explained by looking at from an etheric or astral or mental dimension. The law of mentalism: all is mind, the universe is mental. It asserts that the mind is a fundamental reality, that everything exists in this universe in a mental creation or a manifestation of the one mind of God. In simpler terms, this law suggests that the thoughts and consciousness of individuals plays a central role in shaping their reality. It emphasizes that the power of the mind to create, to influence, and to shape the world around us. Essentially, the law of mentalism highlights the idea that our thoughts and beliefs have a profound impact on our experiences and circumstances we encounter. This is why it is so important to create positive thinking patterns, as our thoughts affect our reality. The law of polarity asserts that everything in the universe has its opposite. In other words, there's dualities, there's pairs, opposites in existence, such as light and dark, hot and cold, love and hate, and so on. This suggests that polarities are interconnected and interdependent. They help define and give meaning to one another. Also highlights that in any situation or experience, there's a potential for both positive and negative aspects. Understanding the law of polarity can lead to a greater balance and acceptance with perspective in life. Reminds us that opportunities for growth are also accompanied by challenges and difficulties. There's a gender duality to everything in the universe, not just in terms of the male and female, but also in terms of the masculine and the feminine energies or principles. These gender aspects are not limited to physical characteristics, but apply to the qualities and the traits and the energies associated with each gender. This law physically suggests that the gender energies exist within all individuals, and the balance between them is necessary for personal and spiritual growth. Understanding and harmonizing the masculine and feminine aspects within oneself can lead to a greater balance and creativity and wholeness. It states that every event or phenomenon has a cause, and every cause produces an effect. In other words, there's a relationship between actions or events where one thing leads or influences another, the butterfly effect. This principle shows how the world works, and it suggests that nothing happens by chance, and there are always reasons behind every outcome, and every action has an equal opposite reaction. The law of rhythm. Rhythm suggests that everything in the universe follows a natural pattern or a cycle of rhythms. These rhythms can be observed in various aspects of life, including nature, human behavior, and the cosmos. The law of rhythm implies that there are ups and downs, cycles of growth and decay, and periods of expansion and contraction in all things. Everything is rhythmic because it is a light wave universe.